Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So this is my first video after I had switched around my room. So I have to get used to this location. It feels good. It's nice and neat for now. I know it's not going to stay that way forever. So here we go. I have some happy mail. This is from a good friend who I did my first swap with here on YouTube, and it was through a Facebook group. The Facebook group is run by Crafty Crafts by Dina, and the name of the group is Crafty Crafts by Dina Swaps and Stuff. I keep saying swaps and things. It's swaps and stuff. So go check it out on Facebook. Sorry guys, a little flustered, but anyway, check it out on Facebook. It's an open group. You just got to go and request to be a part of the group. All right, so this is from Emily, and we had done a Halloween loaded pocket swap in that group, and I sent her a little thank you for thinking of me last Halloween, because she sent me a rack and I didn't realize it was from her until I went back and checked my videos, and I was like, oh my god, this is Emily, this is my Emily. So my Emily she sent me another happy mail after I sent her some Easter spring, and I love doing that. You know, I mean, every once in a while I'll have that free time and I'm not in a challenge or anything, so making little things and sending it out to friends who have been good to me from the gate, you know what I mean? So anyway, let's get into this little envelope here. I already cut it open so it'll be easier for me, and let's see what's in here. Oh, Emily, Emily, girl, look at you, look at these bows. Oh my god, I love these bows. Look at that purple bow. This girl is so awesome. Oh my gosh, she sent me washi, but let me show you the bows first. Getting carried away, but look at this. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. This is Alice in Wonderland ribbon. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I love these bows. Oh my gosh, I have to see how you really did it. But here's our her little envelope. So pretty. Look at the trim, purple trim. It says hello there. And let's see what she loaded in. Oh my god. Oh, you guys, look at this. It's a double pocket. Oh, I love this, Em. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cute. So she's got two parts here, and then she's got this little pocket right here in the back. I'm just pulling everything out, guys, so we can see this little envelope. How did she do that? Oh, Emily, I hope you post a video, because this is so cute. I love this. Yes. I'm so interested, curious about this. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Look at all this good stuff she gave me. Oh my gosh, are these cut aparts? She gave me a whole bunch of cut aparts, guys. Oh, Emily. Oh, so cute. This one says thank you. These almost look like seed packets, like miniature seed packets. Let me stand up. Okay. Look at that. Thinking of you. Hello, just because. Oh, seed for you. Yes. Yep. Grateful for all you do. Oh, these are so cute. And they're mini. Oh, I love it. 25 cents. Hello there. So pretty. Forget me not. Oh, warm wishes. Kindness is contagious. I can't read upside down. Enjoy every moment. Thank you. Again, that is so cute. And then they have these tags. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And this little baggie is so much. So cute. Oh my God. And then we have little teacups here. Oh, Emily. Thank you so much. Oh, it's Alice in Wonderland. This one says, eat me, open me. It's got the little hare, rabbit. Drink me, it has Alice on there. Take me, it has Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. Thank you so much, Emily. There's the Queen. Oh, wow, the teacups. There's another one without the little subdued background. Did you make these? There's Alice. There's the little teacups. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Are these, oops. Are these stickers? Are these stickers, Em? Or is it just printed on this paper? Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it. It's so pretty though. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Emily. Alice in Wonderland. I just did the Queen. I just did the Queen giveaway. So cute. Oh, look at this little lammy. Oh my gosh, Emily. Girl, we need to do a swap. We just need to go ahead and do a swap. Look at this little lamb. He's so chunky. It's so cute. Oh, he has a balloon. Hip hop hooray. Oh, this is so cute. What collection is this? I don't know what this collection is, but it's so pretty. Look at that. This is so much, girly. Hip hip hooray. I love that one too. Oh, big wishes. It's like a birthday theme. So pretty. Hip hip hooray. Oh, look at the bunny. You guys, Emily, she's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. For this little envelope, this is a lot. You did so much, girl. What in the world? This is Glam Girl. Ooh. Ooh, I wish I could still wear heels like that. Oh my goodness. I would die if I put those on now. Look at these glasses. Nail polish. Yes, girl, yes. That is a cute bag. Oh, I would make that. Hello, beautiful. And the little purse. Oh, oh my God. Her little cell phone. Some perfume Paris. Oh, coffee. Yes, I just had my coffee. More polish. Girl, this is so cute. Yes, girly, yes. And the flowers to go with it. Oh my gosh, look at this. She is, wow, sexy. Wow, look at that. So glam, girl. Yes. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, a little bit of everything. Emily, so pretty. Gosh, girl, I didn't give you this much. I feel so bad. Emily. Thank you so much, sweetie. And this, I bet, is our note, right? Of course it is. But look at this envelope. She made this little envelope. Good friends make good times better. That is so true. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I love it. I love your trim, girl. Oh, I have to read this little note. Oh, pocket letter cheered me up and warmed my heart. It was much needed. Oh, Love the die cuts that you sent, and I added them to my journal. Yay! Oh, hope you and your beautiful family are doing well. Oh, thank you, Em. I hope you're doing well too. Take care, precious babies. Sending you hope and best wishes, and a few little bits and bobs. Still watch your channel quite often, and I enjoy your beautiful crafting. Oh, Em. Girl, so you need to send me a note. Where's your channel if you changed your name because some reason you're not coming up on my channel subscription for some reason. So yes, and how did you make these lovely bows? This I want to know because it's so super cute. Like, wow, how did you do this? Let me know. Let me know, because if you have a video I want to see. But this, your bows and your envelope, little lady, because look at this. How did you do that? Like, I'm trying to dissect it, seriously. Like, is this one page? Because I'm really truly trying to dissect it. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Emily, for freaking sending me a beautiful Happy Mail. I love it. I love it. I love it. Especially the little Alice right there, so cute. And I'll try to link your channel if you hit me up, send me a message. I will try to get your channel linked to this video because I would love for them to check out your channel. Everybody wants to see how you did these lovely bows. So cute. All right, ladies, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And stay safe and stay positive. Bye.